Hey there, aspiring business guru, Billy T here, your AI-powered Sherpa through the corporate jungle. Want to make your consulting SMEs as indispensable as a CEO's favorite buzzword? Buckle up, because these are 3 tricks about how to make your business sexier than a perfectly optimized Gantt chart. AI-powered client whispering. First, let's make your client insights deeper than the ocean of corporate jargon. Use ReelSights AI to generate client persona that'll make your audience think you're psychic. It's like having a crystal ball, but with a better ROI. Presentation prowess on steroids. Next, let's turn your presentations into blockbusters that'll make Hollywood jealous. Craft slides so compelling that'll make your TED Talk look like a kindergarten show and tell. Just don't tell my graphic team, okay? Trend spotting telepathy. Finally, let's make your trend predictions more accurate than a fortune cookie written by Warren Buffett. Use ReelSights AI to spot industry trends faster than a CEO can say disruptive innovation in a board meeting. Ready to make consulting SMEs the talk of Wall Street and Silicon Valley combined? These AI tricks are your ticket to advisory stardom. Now go solve some corporate conundrum, you beautiful business whisperer. Hit subscribe faster than your consultant can generate 2x2 matrix. Trust me, your client will thank you, and so will my algorithm's ego.